Okay, so I'm trying to upgrade the SSD of my old laptop. So this is my HP Pavilion 15-inch laptop, which is actually working fine. It is running on Windows, and my daughter is actually using it for her school work. But of course, because it is old, I was thinking of giving this old laptop a new life. So I open it up, and as you can see, it is not massively difficult to open. So to open the laptop, you have to first unscrew everything from the bottom, and then you have to remove the keyboard tray, and then you have to remove this this one more tray where you have the touch pad. And I also, whenever I open my laptops, I always try to remove the RAM and the Wi-Fi chip here, and also this this DVD drive, which is something that I'm thinking to replace with maybe a caddy, so that I can have additional storage. And this is the I guess this is for the I think one USB drive, one USB port, and one 3.5 mm jack for audio, and of course a battery, which is not really massive. And this is the new SSD that I ordered, and I'm not really sure whether this will fit or not, but we'll see. So this is the old Toshiba hard disk, and this one has I think 500 GB or 2. I'm not really sure actually. It doesn't really say. I'm sure it says somewhere. Anyway, so this is the hard disk, the old one, and I ordered the new one. And if you want to know, let us say if you have a laptop and you're thinking of doing an upgrade, I recommend you to go to a site called Crucial. I don't really remember the name, but you can go to a site to find out. Crucial, not Crucible, Crucial, and crucial.com or something like that. So let us see. Let us open it up, and I want to check. Okay, so the packing is all right actually. So this is the packing, and it is looking, I think, same. I guess this will fit. I'm not really worried. I guess hopefully it will work. So this is 480 GB, and let us open it up. So this one has a nice packing where you don't need to break anything. So if you open it up, the main thing that I want to see is whether it will fit or not. So this will definitely fit. I have no doubts about it. And I believe to fit it, you have to remove this tray, not really a tray, from whatever it is. You know, these things on the side, and you have to, of course, ensure that you are not really. Just make sure that the one on the right hand side and the left hand side goes on the left and the right of the new hard disk. So let me check if it will fit or not. So let me just move this slightly, so you can also see. So I think when you are trying to do an upgrade, you should always try to do it. Don't be afraid of doing an upgrade yourself. It is a great thing that you can do to your laptop. So let me try to fit it. I guess it will fit. It seems like it will fit. So let us see. I mean, I'll of course make sure I have I'll make sure that I have these things on the side. I don't know what you call them, tray or whatever it is. Anyways, let us try to push this inside. I'll be careful not to break it. I was actually thinking initially whether I need whether I would need some kind of an adapter, and I think so. Yeah, it does fit perfectly, and believe it or not, I will be installing Windows on this. I mean, it is already running Windows, and the reason I'm using Windows is because I'm using this. I'm not using this laptop. This is basically my daughter's laptop, and it was actually my laptop. Let me just show you my face. So yeah, this was actually my laptop, but and this laptop came with Windows 8 when I bought it. I think long back. I don't really remember. I think it was like 8 years ago, I guess. Yeah, I think so. So this laptop came with Windows 8. Then I upgraded it to Windows 10, and I did an app development on this laptop when I bought it in 2000. I think it was 2014, I guess. And I used this laptop for quite a long time. I was basically taking it everywhere, all across India when I was doing a lot of Jira consultation work, and this laptop was my companion on my trips. And this is one of my most traveled laptop. And of course, I still use my ThinkPad, which is over there, which is resting right now, as my main laptop, even after so many years. And I then switched from Windows 10 to Fedora, of course, because I then was done with my app development. I could have used Fedora for app development, but because I am always comfortable working on Fedora, I was always comfortable working on Fedora, then I switched to Fedora. But for the past, I think 2 or 3 years, roughly, I was not really using this laptop, and because here in UK, all the classes were online for the school, and my daughter was actually using this laptop more and more, and I think it is better to switch to Windows 10, because they use Windows 10 in their school, and they use Teams and those Office suite of applications. So that is why I installed Windows again. And because this laptop has I think in the UEFI chip the license key, so it picked it up automatically. So I will now be changing the hard disk, of course, with SSD, because I think this will definitely give this laptop few more years, hopefully. Let us see how it goes. And I'm also thinking about what I can do with this old hard disk. So this is, I believe, 500 GB, which is not really which is actually quite a lot, and I think I'll probably buy an adapter, or I'll buy probably a casing, and I'll probably use it as my external hard disk, external drive. So I hope this upgrade goes well, and I'll probably I will let you know. Bye.